Hi, welcome to GDG Cloud New Delhi's official YouTube channel. I heard that you have a great idea about an app or a website that you want to showcase to the world, and you have already made it. Now it's just that you need a cloud platform or a service that can help you deploy your app, and that platform or the service that you're looking for should be easy to use and should be able to scale up with your requirements as you make your app big. So for that, Google provides a very easy solution that is called App Engine. So App Engine is a platform where you can deploy your favorite apps written in your favorite language or framework without worrying about the infrastructure setup. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the application that I have made, and I'm going to upload it onto Google Cloud's App Engine, and I'll show you how easy it is. Let's get started. So here you can see the structure of a simple Node.js app that I have made, and today we will be uploading it to Google Cloud's App Engine so that it can be accessed from anywhere on the internet. So you can see there is the node modules folder, and there is a package.json file, and inside the source folder there are the HTML, CSS and JavaScript key files. So this is the actual JavaScript file, the Node.js file, and we will run it to see if our app is actually working. So let me go to terminal and I'll type npm start and hit enter. Okay, it says the virtual live stream server has started. So let me go to the browser and I'll just quickly go to localhost port 3000 and type enter, and here you can see the Node.js app is running. So let's get it uploaded onto Google Cloud, right? For that, we have to do a simple thing, that is install the Google Cloud's command line tools into our terminal. For that, we need to follow a command that will be this command. So curl https, okay, this one, just copy it and paste it into your terminal. I have already done that, but I'll still do it once again. So I don't need this app running anymore. I'll just close it, and now I'll paste that command like this and hit enter. It will just download all the Google Cloud's command line tools into your machine. Hit enter again, give the permission yes. It will take a little bit of time. Welcome to Google Cloud, it says. And do you want to help improve? Not right now. Okay, now it says that do you want to modify profile path? So in your case you have to press yes, but I have already done it, so I don't need to do that again. So I just press N. Now we are done with that. So for the next part, we just have to deploy our app to Google Cloud, and for that we need to create a file called app.yaml into our project folder. Here you can see I've already created the file, and it just contains these lines. I'll explain what it means. So the first two lines will tell the Google Cloud what kind of app is it that you are going to run, and the second thing is the instance class f1. So this is basically telling Google Cloud that you have to use the free tier of Google Cloud. For that you have to use f1 class. And how do I know that? It is actually written on the documentation. You can go to Safari, any browser, and just search App Engine free tier into Google, and it will redirect you to this page where if you go down, it will list all the free tier services that Google Cloud provides you. So I'll go to App Engine and it will redirect me to this page. Here it is clearly written that App Engine provides 28 hours of F instances every day. So 28 hours is actually more than 24. That's good. That is why I have clearly stated here that you have to use F1 instances, and it requires automatic scaling. That means if your app gets a lot of traction, then it will automatically increase the number of compute instances from 1 to the choice that you gave it. I have specified here 5. For beginners, it will be 1 to 8. You can specify anything between 1 to 8. Okay, we're done with this part. We have created the app.yml file. Now there is one more thing that you need to do before publishing it. That is, you need to go to your .js file, and inside that you have to make sure that your app uses the port 8080, not 3000 or anything else. So I'll quickly change it to 8080 and I'll save it. This is because Google Clouds need it to run on port 8080, right? Now we're done with our simple part. Now let's go to Google Cloud and create an app. For that, I'll go to cloud.google.com and go to my console. That will bring you to a page similar to this one. And one more thing, you have to have a billing account in your Google Cloud so that you can use it actually, right? After your billing account expires, it will not be charged automatically. You just have to add a debit or a credit card number. You won't be automatically charged, don't worry. And you can just try Google Cloud for, I guess, 3 to 4 months. Now, after we are onto the dashboard, I'll create a project. So we can name it anything, but in my case, it says that you have already minus 2 projects remaining in your quota. So I have made a lot of projects this month, so I'm not able to create a new project. So what I'll do is I'll just use another one. By the way, you can just create a project like that and it will show up in your dashboard. So instead of that, I'll just use some other project that I have already made. I'll go to my dashboard. From here, I'll select a project, this one. Okay, so this will be the dashboard that you will be having. After that, you need to enable billing into this. For that, you'll type billing, go to billing, link a billing account. I will add my billing account and I'll set it. Okay, so the billing is set. Now we can go to our terminal. So going to the terminal, I'll minimize that. Yes. Now in terminal, we can see that our gcloud command is running. Just type gcloud and hit enter. Okay, so it is running. I'll press Q to exit. Now we need to log in into our terminal. So for that we need to type gcloud auth login. It will do a simple thing that it will open up your browser and you have to choose your account. It will authenticate it. You can allow it like this, and then you can close it. Right, so now I have been logged into terminal. Now it is saying that my current project ID is set to this, but that's not actually the project that I want to deploy my app to. It is this. We'll go to Google Cloud and here we can see the project ID. It is graphite wave, something like this. So I need to set this into my terminal. For that, I'll go into my terminal and I can either use this command gcloud config set project ID. I can either use this command or either I can just refresh my Google Cloud from the very start. For that, I'll use the command gcloud init. Let me just clear this screen. There's a lot of unusable things written here. CLS. Yeah, I've cleared the screen. Now I'll do gcloud gcloud init. Yeah. So it is reinitiating all the settings from the start. So I'll hit 1. It is showing my account, so I'll choose it. Now it is asking which project do I want to go forward with. So it will be the number 4. So I have entered 4. Now it is set. All that I have to do is push the code onto cloud now. For that, I'll just type gcloud app deploy. That's it. Let's see what it says. Okay, it is asking me to choose a region where I want to deploy my app to. So for a safer side, use US Central. I'll tell you why. But for now, I'm selecting 17. It is creating an app engine application onto the region US Central. The region depends a lot. I'll tell you just in a minute. Let's press yes and give it the required permissions. Okay, so why the region matters? Because once you have set the region, you cannot change it as of now. You will have to create a separate project if you want to change the region. Okay, so try to choose a region that works very well for you at the very beginning, but not all the time you are going to get the right region, because sometimes the region is full and it will show you an error that the region does not have those resources that you are asking for as of now. Please try again later. So for that reason, so that I don't run into that error, I have selected US Central. But if you want, you can try other regions also. Now it will take some time. So it is now deploying our app. It says that this may take several minutes. So it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. After that, it will provide us the URL that we can use to access our app. Let's wait for that. Okay, so it's done with all the processing and it has provided us this URL that you can see. We'll just go to this URL by copying it, or we can also run a simple command that is called gcloud app browse. This will open this same URL automatically into our browser. Let's check it out. So our Node.js app is deployed finally, and you can see the URL. It is starting with our project ID and it is ending with appspot.com. Appspot.com means that it is using App Engine as a service. So this is how you can also deploy your apps. So we have successfully deployed our app onto App Engine, and I hope you can do that same for your app too. So do make sure to give this video a like, and we'd also like to see your projects, so you can share them in the description below. Now, if there are any other requests about any other topics related to cloud, do tell us that in the comments. We'll definitely come up with a solution for you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a great time. This is GDG Cloud New Delhi. Bye bye.